Every week, dial *144*8# to recharge your MTN account with 10 Rand airtime or more to stand a chance to win a share of prizes worth up to the value of 8 million Rand. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the MTN 8, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Polokwane City 0. I'm joined by Kila Walikosi.
Awe Stibo.
From Esperance.
Stibo yabona nguQuesta namuhla yabona
Questa?
Questa voice. Uyatona manje.
Yes.
Yeah, so uyanyuka manje.
Questa uyibone kanjani game?
Yeah, igame yafanda akho mfethu. Igame yafanda akho.
Not Questa.
Hey, igame yafanda akho idlalile mfethu ekudlaliwe lapha yana.
Yes.
But ngamosha energy yami ukuthi ngizosupporta iPolokwane City.
Yes.
Ngakhohlwa ukuthi amapedi anale culture leyo ukuthi like njengoba uSithibo ulona uThayebza ne mangabe ubhuti wami like ngibig brother yakhe and like isalamana sinayi bese siba nenxosi yabo inxosi zethu ngeculture yesipedi kuthiwa ukuthi zingathathana babe umfazi nendoda yabona so today by improvile lento ngokuthi bafake on goal then kule on goal leyo gawini Sundowns yabo so bathini umkhonto ugwaze ekhaya yeah iculture yesipedi but angikho lapho njengoba
ngathi uyayiphikisa le ndawo
no bayayazi bayikwishisha maybe akihlalishanga kaSipedi if ukibulele kaSipedi beyazothi bari mtswale uchiya mtsomang bari
dikgomo di boela sakeng
why bari dikgomo di boela sakeng uri ayigona ke upa umfetule why ba re digomo di boela sakeng
ke cousins not brothers. You are wrong. Yeah, you are wrong, Killer.
No,
so continue again.
No. One day, ne.
Close to pasty.
I said the cousin.
Yes.
Na ga ditsiba gore ga tsiba gore gantla ke dishimana ke re. Tsiba aba not if ngikhuluma ngesipedi ngithi ke dishimana batla re ke ba shimanyana ne.
Yeah.
Ke re wena ke re ishimane kahle azikwazi ukushela eLimpopo but angikho lapho namuhla bengiminyile iSundowns uthi yaluza ndoda bengiphethe ngiwashiye lapha emotweni and kuyababa la ngomuva la yabo la bengiphethe amaphilisi wamapiles ukuthi after ngizohloma kuze kube right but anyway bangilimazile ngoba bashaya ama on goal yabona yeah and then angijabulanga the way bengakhona ureferee angazi lama free kick angaka be amanye nje ngathi bekabapha vele ukuthi kumele bawine laba beSundowns but sizawuthini ayikho into esingayisho yabona but iPolokwane City to be honest bedlala nethi nayo ayish inhlanhla bengekho lapha yana inhlanhla abayitholile ukuthi badla inkukhu yasekhaya yabona ungafika umzali wabathela induku yabona inkingileyo yeah
man of the match bonayo
yeah man of the match nayo Sibo lapha Sibo kulento khona ama player man angidlalele kamnandi man unumber 12 ne angizakutshela man of the match number 12 wePolokwane City yeah no number 17 wePolokwane City ngibonile le lentuzana le lama supporter lawe weSundowns mabamkhipha lo mfana ajabule kakhulu ukuthi hey uyaphuma so bekapush hayi ngakhohlwa lensizwa le yase Mozambique uNkambole ayudlalile kakhulu uNkambole
Number 9 Lord
Kambala man yeah
Lord Kambala, do you remember?
Yeah
no, he will give him the man of the match. It is not for this match, it is for that match.
Which one?
That one.
No,
they took the league 5 minutes left. That's why.
No, don't worry. Kambala loyo ke lo wase Mozambique Kambala na cancer swa kuna nini utlakula Mozambique nyamuntu utlange kahle na swilava swa ku a message leyi fika ka wena wayitsakisa Mr Handsome guy uyiphushela Mozambique yatsaka sona nekubona sokwaye utlanga indlela le ya hayi congratulations umuntu obrigade yeah
But everyone now at Kaizer Chiefs, they have translators.
Yes.
First it was the coach, Jigi's Jessica, saying they sold they sold 2 times the shirts. Banale, this thing high, translator high.
Yes.
Rulani with 3 translators.
Yes.
Kila naye.
He also needs a translator.
no lalela mina ngokhila izolo ne bengise Polokwane mangifike ePolokwane ne kungena amapedi lapha bali thobela then abantu bathula bengihamba nomunye umfana weshangane ngihamba nokunye nje nako kukhona khona la around abathi ayothi ngakusho ngegama ngoba bangahleka lapha embaleni yabo mabakena barithobelanga uthi likuphi ipapa lana ngithi ngeshangane bathi umfazi makapheka ipapa then uyalithobela so like libe nice yabo then uthi likuphi ipapa ngithi no ungabulawa indlala ngoba ulana lethu mabathobelanga babingelela yabona then uthwanisi uri mawufihla Limpopo ukwishishe mawufika Mozambique ushitwisisa mawufika kuphi ulalele ubayeshi venda ifuambashi venda wabona khona ingoma ethi yabona mina ngena wonke ama island
Kwamele ngivale kida.
ya ima ngifuna ukuculela amaZimbabwean ngoba banokungibiza bathi amekwerekwere if I'm look like a kwerekwere now amakwerekwere ama human English but kukhona lengoma ethi Nwari makanaka Nwari inotenda inotenda ubuza amaZimbabwean ne azokutshela ukuthi chaza ukuthini mina ngeke ngikutshele fanda
Ngiyabonga. Thank you.